Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Nirmal Technical, your one-stop destination for demystifying the world of technology. I'm Nirmal, your guide in this exciting journey. Before we dive into today's tech adventure, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Nirmal Technical community. We're all about making tech accessible and fun for everyone. Alright, today's topic is something that's changing the game in the world of software development tool Docker installation process. Ever heard of it? Now, let's get our hands dirty and install Docker on a Linux server. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Transition to installation step. Step 1, open up your terminal. It's like the command center for your server. Step 2, copy and paste a simple command to download and install Docker. Don't worry, I'll put the command in the video description for you. Hash for Linux server update greater than yum update and yum upgrade y hash for Docker installation greater than yum install Docker y hash for Docker version check greater than Docker version. Hash for Docker service status check greater than service Docker status hash for Docker service start greater than service Docker start. Step 3, hit enter and let the magic happen. Docker will be installed and run on your server in no time. You're now armed with Docker on your Linux server, ready to start containerizing your applications. Got questions or want to see more tutorials? Drop them in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech goodness.